Plant trellises and supports are an essential tool for every cottage and kitchen gardener to have. I harvest bamboo stakes from my very own bamboo plants, but you can also buy these by the pack at Home Depot or Lowe's. Once I've trimmed off all the side shoots, I select 3 stakes about the same length and sink them in a straight tripod arrangement right next to one of my tomato plants, down about 6 to 10 inches into the garden soil to keep them in place. I then add a final bamboo piece to cross. I then tie all 4 together in a crisscross pattern. Loop around the bundle, cross in the front, cross in the back, over the top pole to secure it, cross back in the front, and tie. I like to use a natural jute twine as it is biodegradable over time and it blends right into the color of the canes. Please follow along for lots of other gardening and design advice.